everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I want to get right into the DIY projects, so let's go ahead and get started. So for this first project, I had planned to make this gorgeous, very unique Audrey Hepburn La Vie en Rose hat decoration. So I used this small kid's hat from the Dollar Tree. You can get one from the thrift store, or you can use one that you already own. I went ahead and I painted these wooden letters from the Dollar Tree, and then I hot glued them down to the hat. It took absolutely forever to put this video together, and do you want to know why? Well, that is simply because my dog kept stealing the wooden craft letters from my craft room. What a sneaky little thief. For the next DIY project, you will need a base to make your sign. I'm just using this fall sign from the Dollar Tree, and I decided to sand it down and paint over it with black, so that when I paint over it with the color that I'm using, I think this is pink, I believe. It looks white, but I think it's pink. And then distress it after, it will look super shabby chic. The next step I took was to spell out Moon River, which is one of my absolute favorite songs to sing, and paint the letters whichever color that you choose. Now I'm just spacing everything out so that it will look well put together and I don't have to change anything around. Also, I'm adding in this Dollar Tree hook hanger, but one thing I do suggest is to use E6000 glue because a glue gun will not hold up for this project, as I tested and it had failed. I also added in some lace trim as a bow and a flower that I got from AliExpress. And I also decided to add this lace trim before I put on the flower, so just a little heads up if you want to add some more details. I then printed out this lovely photo of Audrey Hepburn and cut that out. I added some Mod Podge to the back of it and stuck that onto the sign. I also decided to add in this pretty satin ribbon that I got from the Dollar Tree, I believe. Actually, no, I think this is from Walmart, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, I just decided to add that in. I would use Mod Podge instead of hot glue just because it did bleed through the ribbon, just a heads up. And also I'm adding in some lace trim and more pearl trim onto the side just to add a little extra pizzazz. I'm just adding some more finishing touches onto the hooks just so it will cover like the ugly little bare parts. I don't know how to explain it, but yeah, I just wanted to like give it some life. Lastly, you're gonna want to add in some glitter to give this project some glam dimension. I'm just using this pretty opalescent glitter from Michaels and some Mod Podge and sprinkling that on like fairy dust. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. 2 very easy to make projects based on Audrey Hepburn, and both are from the Dollar Tree. If you did, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed so you don't miss any of my upcoming content. Let me know in the comments which project was your favorite, and also be sure to check out all of my social media. Everything will be linked down below as usual, and I will see you guys in my next lovely video.